Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get up to $4,000 even if you have bad credit or no credit. So this particular company is called Op Loans, and they specialize in providing emergency cash, fast funding for individuals who need it, and they do not really worry about your credit score. So you can, again, get it if you have bad credit, if you have no credit. You can still apply and get a loan. And also, I believe they do a soft pull, so it's not going to affect your FICO score. So we're going to talk about the 3 different types of loans that they offer. And also, if you want to see more videos like this about personal loans, business credit, personal credit, as well as how to make money online, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when I drop new videos. So Op Loans has quick approvals, fast funding, a low APR rate compared to payday loans. So payday loans can go up to 400% or even more, and they have really good customer service. So they have over 500,000 customers and they have good reviews. So Op Loans is a trustworthy place to get some funding or to get a personal loan if you need cash within the next few days. I'm going to show you kind of the different APR percentages for this particular loan. It's lower than payday loans, and you get a longer period of time to pay it back. You don't have to pay it back within 14 days. Like a lot of payday loans make you pay back your loans within a week or two, or by your next payday. So this one, you can pay on this loan up to 36 months. It also helps you build your credit, and you do not need to put any collateral up for the loan. So payday loans will not allow you to build your credit, and you have to pay it back quicker with a almost 400% APR or more. So if you have good credit, I wouldn't do this particular loan. If you have bad credit or no credit and you need a loan very quickly, then I would go ahead and try to get a loan from Op Loans. It's just an alternative to the payday loans, and it will benefit you if you pay it back on time. It's going to help build your credit. So that's one of the most important things. Payday loans, they don't help you build your credit at all, and you have to pay it back quicker. So, do they look at your credit score? Like I said before, it does not affect your FICO score. So they don't actually perform credit checks through the 3 major credit bureaus. Instead, they actually go through Clarity Services, which is a credit reporting agency, but they're not a major credit reporting agency like Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. So again, it's called a soft inquiry. It's not a hard pull or anything like that. And they do that to determine your eligibility for the personal loan. And also, this particular soft inquiry will not be visible to third parties. So that's not going to go on your credit or report to any of the other credit bureaus either. So pretty much covered the interest rate. Now, the amount that you can qualify, again, you can get between $500 and $4,000, and the higher the amount that you can get is going to depend on your income and your states, as well as your credit worthiness. So the higher the credit score and the higher the income, the more you can get. Okay, so here's the application. This is what it looks like. If you click the first link down in the description box, again, this is going to, or the link is going to take you straight over to the application. So you're going to make sure that you have all of your things together as far as your bank account information, income, and all of that. So you're going to click on Start. You're going to put your first name, last name. Then you're going to click Save and Continue. Then you are going to put in your phone number and your email address. And then Save and Continue. Then your address. Save and Continue. And then you're going to put in your date of birth and your social security number to verify your identity. Then it's going to ask you for your total monthly income before taxes. And make sure that it is your gross income. Then you're going to select your type of income. Then Save and Continue. So you're going to put your employer name If you are self-employed, you can put your name or your LLC name, whatever your business name is, and then save and continue. And then you're going to also put how long you have been receiving income, and then your pay period. And then you're going to put your payroll schedule whenever you get paid. So the last day that you got paid, and then the next day that you will get paid. And then you're going to put your loan amount that you would like to get. Now this is where you're going to enter in your banking information. So the next step after that, they're going to ask you how long your bank account has been open, and then click on save and continue. And then you're going to create your login details. Okay, so this is the last step. You're going to consent and authorize OppLoans, who is affiliated with FinWise Bank, to do the application and do the soft pull and things like that. So you're going to read this, you're going to scroll to the end, and then you're going to sign it. So basically by you scrolling to the end and checking the box, that's you pretty much signing it. So you're going to do the same thing on a second box. So this is basically you want to see if you can qualify for a lower rate, and then check that box and scroll down. Make sure that you look at the terms of use and privacy policy, as well as FinWise Bank's privacy policy, and then the credit pull authorization information, as well as the bank verification terms and service. And then you're going to agree and apply. So that is pretty much the full application process. It's very easy, very quick. You just need to make sure that you have your banking information on hand. They're going to check everything, and then they're going to give you an answer whether they're going to approve you or deny you. So pretty much that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as videos on how to make money online and business credit as well. So stay tuned for the next video.